Today we're working on a 3 Series. What we're going to show you what to do is how to remove the lower black panel underneath the dash to get access to the cast module. There's 3 Torx 20 screws holding it. And once you remove that panel, we'll show you how to disconnect all the connectors that are on it. Now that we've got our panel lowered, we're going to show you how to disconnect the 4 connectors on this lower panel. First, we have the speaker, the light, the fiber optic terminal, and a little connector here on the back, sort of like an antenna behind a radio. Using a small flat screwdriver, you can unclip the speaker, and the same thing with the light. Now the fiber optic terminal. We're just going to unplug it from here. What you're going to want to do is, using your small screwdriver, just push in the tab and pull out the terminal. We're going to plug this terminal back in during installation. It's going to avoid any thumping through the speakers. And now last, we've got this antenna style plug here, just with the regular black clip. Now we can just pull out the panel. Now if we look underneath here, just behind the panel here, we have access to the cast module as well as the brake switch.